Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carly, so welcome. Today I have a very exciting video planned for you guys, and it was a video that I hadn't really planned on doing, but it's just something that kind of happened, and so I'm super excited about it. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Felicie Pochette from Louis Vuitton. I cannot believe I'm even saying that, but I'm going to get a little bit more into how I was able to get this and why I purchased it in this video, and then additionally I'm going to be unboxing it. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So a little bit of background and story time on this. I've been wanting the Felicie, or Felicie, however you say it, Pochette forever. I've always loved it and thought it was a very beautiful bag, and I've wanted it for a while too, but I've never been able to get it just because it's super hard to find in store and online, especially in the US. It's just one of the more popular bags because it is a relatively cheap price compared to their other bags, and you get a lot of things for your money within this bag, I feel like. So I have been wanting this bag for so long, and I never really thought I would find it, but I've always liked it. So these past 2 weeks I've been in Greece, I've been in Athens and Santorini, and we had a little bit of extra time one day on the trip, and there are a lot of designer stores by our hotel, and I just wanted to go look around just because we had the opportunity to, and I knew that in Europe there was the VAT tax refund, and so I thought if I were to by any chance purchase anything, I would be able to get a tax refund for it because I was going to be purchasing it in Europe. So I convinced my mom to go with me into Louis Vuitton, and I was just looking around, and one of the sales associates asked if I was looking for anything, and I just happened to ask about the Felicie Pochette. He happened to have one, and I was really shocked and surprised because I had never been able to find it online or in store anywhere I looked. I had been asking around forever just for fun because you never know. I knew how popular of a bag this was, and if I had the chance to get my hands on it, I really wanted to do it. He ended up bringing out the Felicie Pochette that I got, and it's actually in a monogram, which is the print that I really wanted. I would have been happy with any of like the classic prints, but I really wanted monogram in this bag, especially since it doesn't have the vachetta leather on it. So I decided to get the bag because first of all, it was a very rare find, and I had been wanting the bag for so long, and it was a lot cheaper. In the States it retails for like $1,400 something, and in euros it was a lot cheaper for some reason. And in addition to that, I also got the VAT tax refund, and so it just made complete sense to get this bag. This was just a complete surprise and something that I'm super excited about and super thankful for. I've been working all summer since I've been home, and I just figured that this would be a good way to spend some of my money. After that long explanation, let's just get into the unboxing. So here is the bag that it came in. In order to pack all of this up in my suitcase and fit it in the suitcase for the way back, I had to end up like taking all of this stuff out, so I just put it back in. So it came with this like pretty small bag. It's really cute. It was really fun getting to get it in store. Here it is. It just came in this little tiny box, and the box slides out like this. It didn't actually come with a ribbon, which I was fine with. I don't really care. And then the bag came in this little dust bag. It's a really small one, but it's like all of their other dust bags, and it says Louis Vuitton. Here she is. She is so pretty. I'm literally obsessed with this bag. I have always been obsessed with it, but I'm even more obsessed with it in person. It's just literally perfect. I love the monogram print. I don't own anything Louis Vuitton in the monogram print, and that's what I've been really wanting. Like I was saying earlier, this bag really looks like an envelope too, which I like. For some reason I really like that style, and I like how slender it is, and so it's easy to wear like up against your body without being too bulky or annoying. And so here's the inside. It is like a really pretty magenta color. The way that I would best describe it is a deep magenta color. The bag comes with a nice chain. It is the perfect length, I feel like, and it clips on both sides, so if I were to want to make it shorter and adjust it in any way, I would be able to, which is really awesome. And another thing that I really like about this bag is that it comes with two inserts in addition to the purse, which I think is super awesome. This first insert is a card holder. In the middle it like holds cash and stuff like that, and it says Louis Vuitton on it, and it's made out of leather, which I really like, and it's that same like deep magenta color that's on the inside fabric. It also comes with another insert, and it's my favorite insert actually, and it's just a small little like pouch that fits inside of the purse, and it's the monogram print. It has a leather zipper. I believe it's also leather on the inside. It's that same magenta color, which is super pretty, and I like that you could take either of these inserts out and put them in other purses. I really like how versatile it all is, and I just really think you're getting your money's worth out of this purchase. Another thing that really excites me about this purse is that it's actually made in France. Louis Vuitton's ones are either made in like the US, France, Spain. There may be other places, but I know those are some of the big places where they're made. France is just one of the better places, I feel like, personally, to have it made. But I was really pleasantly surprised to see that this one was made in France. That's not really that big of a deal, but it's just something that's exciting to me since my other one that I ended up getting for graduation like a year ago was made in the US. This is such a good bag because you can dress it up, dress it down, literally wear it for any and every occasion. I am just super happy with this purchase. I'll show y'all how long it is on me. I think it's a really great length. Alright, so I'm now standing up and you can't see my face, but here is the purse on. This is it just hanging off my shoulder. It goes like a little bit below my waist, but I think that's a great length for a long purse like that. And then when I put it across my body, it's a little bit shorter, and I think it's the perfect length. And then again, you can make it into a clutch if you wanted to by taking these little chains off, and then you can also make it shorter by folding the chain over and carrying it as a shoulder bag. That is about it with this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and found it informative. My best advice to finding bags like this is to just check everywhere you go. I was really pleasantly surprised and was honestly not expecting them to have this bag at all, but I feel like it might be a little bit easier to get over in Europe. I think that this bag is going to be worth every single penny. I already love it, and I know I will be wearing it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please leave some video ideas down below in the comments that you guys would like to see, especially while I'm at home and able to film sit down videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!